Hi all. Today in this video lecture we will see principle of moments. Consider this as a random body and there are forces acting on this body. Here at this point F1 force act. Here at this point F2 force act, and here at this point F3 force will act. And due to these three forces, due to this number of forces, this body is in equilibrium. We will take moment here at this point particular. Let us assume this as C. So F1 moment at point C is F1 into perpendicular distance, this F1 into C, and this is C, this is clockwise movement. So we will consider clockwise movement as positive and anti-clockwise movement as negative. So this F1 into, let us assume this as x1 distance, perpendicular distance between force and point C is x1. So clockwise movement F1 into x1. So it is clockwise, that's why positive F1 into x1. Now this F2 force. Take this F2 force movement at point C and see here this F2 force is anti-clockwise like this. So anti-clockwise, that means minus. So right here minus F2 into x2. This distance is x2. And this third force, F3 force, F3 force is also just pass that force through that C point, and C it is also anti-clockwise. So it is also minus F3 into x3. Distance between F3 and point C is this x3. So due to force F1, F2, F3, this body is in equilibrium. And this moments of all forces F1, F2, F3 at same point C. See, this C point is same, equal to 0. This is nothing but the principle of moments. And in another wording, you can say like it that due to these three forces, this body is in equilibrium, and clockwise movement and anti-clockwise movements both are equal, because see, this F1 makes clockwise. So this F1 into x1 and this F2, F3 makes anti-clockwise. That means it is equal to F2 x2 plus F3 x3. So here clockwise movements equal to anti-clockwise movements. So this is principle of movements, and definition is this. See, it states that if a body is in rotational equilibrium, this is body, this is in rotational equilibrium due to these three forces F1, F2, F3. Rotational equilibrium, that means here rotation is 0, because it, see, this F1, F2, F3 all are moments is counterbalancing, summation of moments is 0 under the action of number of forces, that means those F1, F2, F3. Then the sum of clockwise movements of the forces about any point is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise movements of the forces about the same point. This same point is nothing but this C point. So this is principle of movements. Remember this. Thank you very much.